So good morning students. In our last class we have discussed this copy and paste thing. Okay, we have discussed this copy and paste thing. Now we will discuss how to copy files and paste it on different locations. Okay, so see, copying the text means maintaining it at the original location, and also have a copy at another location. So you will have a copy in this location and you will also have another copy of this same document at another location. Okay, it's just like you copying your notes from your friend. Okay, so you take notes from your friend, then copy it and write in your copy. So this is an example of copying. The selected text is copying from the existing location and then passed at the new location. Right? To copy and paste, we follow the steps mentioned in 4.7 on the next page. So we come to the next page. See, how will you copy text? Okay, so first of all, see, here it is given. This is a particular text. Okay, so what you will do, you will select the text to be copied. How will you select it? You will click on your left mouse button. Okay, you will click on your left mouse button and then you will select it up to how much you think you should copy, right? So so here you have selected how many words? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 words. Okay, so you have selected these 8 words and then you will click on right click. See, step number 2 is given here. Right click and select copy from the menu that appears. So whenever you will right click on this particular text, after selecting you will see that there this option pops up. Okay, there are different options here like cut, copy, paste, etc, etc, but for this purpose what we need is that we need the copy function, right? So here we will click on this copy. You will click on this copy. See, there is a red box. Okay, they have given it in red. So you will just copy this select this particular button and your text will be copied, right? Then this is what we know from copy. Now how will you paste this particular thing, right? So how will you paste this? So this is our step number 3. Place the cursor where the copied text is to be inserted. Okay, so you will decide, okay, wherever you want to paste that particular document file, right? So here we will select, suppose I want to paste it here. So step number 3, what does step number 3 says? Place the cursor where the copied text is to be inserted. So you will place your cursor. Suppose the hand that you are seeing on the screen is my cursor. Okay, so I have placed it over here and then you will click on this option paste. Okay, see, paste is given, a box is made in red color, so you will select this paste option. So after selecting paste, what will happen? Step number 4, right click and select paste from the menu that appears. After clicking paste, your this particular line will get pasted over here, right? Now we will discuss cut and paste. Okay, cut means what? Moving. Moving a text from one page to another page. So this is our example of cutting a text. Okay, so see, cut and paste. Cutting and pasting is also known as moving text, as the selecting text moves from one location to another. So the steps are the same. You have to select this text and then you have to cut this particular thing over here, right? So moving the selected is also known as moving text. The selected text moves from one location to another. To move the text from one location to another, we follow the steps mentioned below. So now we will look at the different steps that are given over here, right? So step number 1, select the text. So we have selected this text, right? Then you will right click. It is similar to our last procedure. Okay, so here we will click on your right mouse button. Okay, So after clicking the right mouse button, you will select some options over here. Last time we selected copy, but now we will select cut, right? So you will select the cut option, right click and select the cut from that menu that appears. You will select the cut option, your this text, particular text will get vanished, right? Then step number 3, simple, place the cursor where the text is to be inserted. You will place the cursor, right? You will place the cursor where the text have to be inserted. Then you will click on paste, right click and select paste from that menu that appears. Okay, so you will right click and left click on this paste. You will right click this and you will left click on this paste option. Your text will get pasted over here. So see, there are some shortcuts given to paste text. You can also use Ctrl+V key. Hold under Ctrl or Ctrl+V key on the keyboard at the same time to the text to get pasted. So here is a shortcut given, keyboard shortcut, right? So you can select the text, then you can press Ctrl+C for copying. Okay, so for copying text you will select Ctrl+C. Okay, this will be your what? This will be your for copying, and this option that is given over here, this option Ctrl+V, it is used for pasting. So you will go to the selected location, you will select the text and then you will place Ctrl+V, then that particular thing will get pasted over here, right? And for cutting there is a shortcut, it is Ctrl+X. Okay, so Ctrl+X, it will just cut the text, like we have explained over here now, cutting. So Ctrl+X shortcut will be there. Okay, so students, this was our today's explanation of chapter number 4. So please go through this video, and if you after watching the video give your attendance in your class group, right? Thank you.